Seo díreach bacon fisar hugmian and skipper Shaw. Isaac Avula Kursona Hashin and Shaw. Isaac Avula Gabriel Shina Kluichanai and skipper Shaw. Gabriel Game Chi and Suis. So Vashin song can be bacon of Arach fisar Hugakav air co-high I guess cat well Kursona high to Kluichanai Yetson. So Ben, if you're happy to come up and say a piece, but Shin Mahain.
1860 are a third-tier club, but traditionally a first-tier club. They are the original Bavarian football club, the original Munich football club. The team that we're playing against, basically, it's not the first team who play in the third tier, you'll be glad to hear. It's actually a mixture of players from their second team and a few legends as well. In the future, they could imagine a game between Alba FA and the Bavarian Football Federation, an official match. I mean, it just goes to show what potential you really have here. You are pioneers creating, a national team for Gaelic speakers. It's brilliant.